Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to talk about a new pattern that could be forming for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so as you see throughout today, we did consolidate a little more sideways, and we did break a little bit higher to the upside. And right here, we did have a little bit of a rounded bottom right here. And also right here, we had a little bit of rounded bottom, which generally at the end of a rounded bottom, you do get a little bit of a spike. And right here, you can see our volume was decreasing. And right here, our volume is decreasing, descending a little bit more right here. So hopefully we'll be getting a bounce right here and heading to the upside. Currently, we are respecting this trend line. Hopefully we will continue to bounce up here and then eventually get a breakout to the upside. But we did briefly mention this yesterday. It looks like we could actually be forming an ascending triangle. And you can see that right here. So eventually we, generally about 3/4 away, we do get a breakout. So hopefully we'll come down here and get a bounce and then maybe head up to the upside and then get a breakout somewhere maybe around there. And if this does play out as an ascending triangle, we can actually go over here and get a target as well. All right, so we'll come here from the top down to the lowest point and drag this out here to a potential breakout area. So say somewhere around here. All right, and if this does play out, then we could be looking for a target right around the 6807 area, somewhere around there. And of course, our Fibonacci's have still remained the same because we not had made any higher highs or lower lows. So of course, the next target would be the point that's around the point, the 0.36, and that is around the 5516 area. And of course, the next target would be our zero level right here on the Fibonacci. That is around the 5798. And when we do break out of this trend line right here, our resistance line, then we will be looking around the 0.27, which is around the 6125, the 0.618, which is around the 6542 area. And as always, we still do have this bullish flag to take a look at. That still could play out as well, which is around the 6246 area, where we did break out of our bullish flag pattern right there. All right, and of course, if and when we do break out of here, we will probably come up here and hit one of our levels right here, maybe around the 0.27 or around the 0.27, and then maybe get rejected and come back down and get a bullish retest and consolidate and then head back up. Generally, we do get a retest on major patterns or any type of pattern. But let's go over here to our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently on our 15-minute chart, our RSI is right around the 38 area. The stochastic has come all the way down, so we should be heading back up here shortly. And hopefully that does mean that we will get another bounce right here and head up to the upside again. All right, currently on the hourly chart, the RSI is around the 50 area. The stochastic has come all the way down and looks like next hour or so we should be heading maybe heading back up to the upside. So that is a good bullish sign. And over here on our 4-hourly chart, our RSI is around the 52. Stochastic is coming up to the overbought area. We are right around the 87 right now, so we actually are in the overbought territory. So next couple hours, a couple hours we should be could be coming back down for a correction in the long term. Of course, we still do have all this room to run with on the RSI, so that's good to see. So short term, we could be heading a little bit higher. And this 4-hourly chart, if this does play out, that means we could potentially come up all the way here and retest the resistance line right here. And of course, if we can't break through that, we'll probably come back down in short term and over a couple hours, probably correct and hit our trend line right there. And over here on our daily chart, our RSI is around the 53 area. Stochastic has come back down, and next couple of days, hopefully we will continue to see to the upside. All right, head back to our 15-minute chart. All right, so currently we are, looks like we are getting a little bit of bounce right here. So we hopefully we'll head to the upside and go back up to the upside again. All right, and so short term, I do believe we will continue to bounce here. We could come back up here in the short term and test our resistance line right here. And again, our 4-hourly is a little bit overbought right now. So we could come back down and retest our trend line if we do get rejected somewhere around here and hopefully get a little bit of a cool off. But we'll have to see how this does play out. I will try to keep you guys up to date on this. And if I do see anything happen tonight, I will try to let you know over on Twitter. And again, you can follow me though over there at Only Crypto Cycle. And as always, please make sure you do like and subscribe to these videos, and appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Take care.